Groove Funnels, Groove Sell, Groove Pages. What exactly is it? So basically, Groove Digital is giving up its software for digital marketers, internet marketers, and whoever wants to start a new business online, quickly start and take action with their software for free. So I stumbled upon this in one of our networking groups, and someone told me about this, and I decided to share with you how this can help you improve your business.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
If you have not done digital marketing before, if you have not done internet marketing before, this is for you. GrooveSell is a funnel system or a sales funnel platform where you have a whole system of tools to help you manage your business. So basically, it's a new product they'll be launching in around July, but they are in a beta state and they want people to try the products. So basically, they are giving one of their tools, which is GrooveSell, for free. Groove Pages as well. You have the opportunity to create 3 sites on this landing page builder. So this funnel builder is one of the free tools you can use, especially during these times. People are filing for unemployment here and there. This company is helping people during COVID-19 period to quickly start an online business or increase your productivity. So let's hop on and I'll show you how to go about this. Even before we dive in, I have a link in the description. You can sign up quickly and start using this tool for free. It's for a limited period and they might want you to upgrade later if you don't sign up now. So sign up for free forever, no credit card, unlimited funnels for free forever. So let's hop on. I'll show you how to go about this. First of all, you have to sign up and then you can sign in with your details and then you come to the welcome page. So welcome to Groove Funnels, Groove Pages, GrooveSell, Groove Affiliate, Groove Mail, Groove Member, Groove Video. So basically, this is a whole lot of tools in one, all in one marketing funnel tool. So Groove Pages is basically a landing page where you can create a landing page for your site or create a new site from scratch. So let's say we want to create a new site from scratch. There are free and premium landing pages you can use to quickly start creating your pages. So they have blocks, elements, and pages here. So now let's go to the pages. So we can edit the settings, clone, or hide navigations. That's how you start with your pages. They have blocks as well. They have pop-ups. They have elements that you can easily start using all in one. And so they also have GrooveSell, where your visitors, your signups, your sales and revenues with affiliates and other marketing promotions will be recorded. They have Groove Affiliates, where you can manage all your affiliates for your digital and physical products if you have any. They have Groove Mail, which is more like an email marketing tool, like ActiveCampaign or any other tool. They have Groove Member, which is also a membership platform. Groove Video, which is more of like a Wistia or a video hosting service where you can host your videos on this same platform. So that is all built into the Groove Funnel system. So this is something I would like you to try quickly and let's see the feedback if it's really going to help. The advantage with this is that you are not paying anything. You're not giving them your credit card. This is for free. You just have to sign up with a description in the link below and then you can start using the tool. You see how best it can help you improve your business. And let's see each other in another video.